Let's do a little bit of pack drop before we continue. Oh, yup. A Creed bottle. Let's go.
What the fuck is your goddamn problem? Get away from me.
Huh?
Stay away from me.
What do you mean?
Don't walk by me.
I'm not, sir.
You passed me 10 fucking times, alright?
Sir, I was playing a little bit of pack draw.
Get away from me, goddammit.
I'm playing pack draw, sir.
Fucking doing something fucking weird and I don't like it.
Sir,
Get away from me.
I'm just playing
I'm
pack
not
draw.
kidding. Get the fuck away.
I'm playing pack draw, sir.
You need to call the manager.